car by a judge. You can't do it.
I don't need to.
You may not. That's violation of. You cannot reach your hand in my car. You guys can't. Why are you reaching?
Do not touch his hand.
Why are you reaching my car?
Do not touch his hand.
Hey, you can time out with that. Listen, I'm a little concerned that you might be driving while impaired, all right? You told me you're not drinking, all right, but what I'm smelling and seeing is a little different. I just want to make sure that's not the case, all right? So I want you to just do a few standardized exercises for me just to make sure that's not the case. You're not impaired.
That's a violation of my First Amendment.
It's not a violation of your First Amendment at all. I'll make you understand the Constitution. Okay, so here's what's going to happen. Time out, all right? Because right now you're refusing to do the exercises, all right?
On November 11th, 2024, at 1:21 a.m., a late-night patrol in Palm Beach Gardens took a sharp turn after an officer spotted a vehicle drifting across the center line. What began as a standard stop for an illegal U-turn quickly shifted into a high-stakes DUI investigation as the driver displayed the unmistakable signs of intoxication.
Hey, Patricia.
Yes.
Hey, how are you doing? Hey, I'm Officer Asher at Palm Beach Gardens. You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I was following my navigation. I missed a turn that said make a U-turn, so.
Oh, okay. Were you able to find your insurance, my partner?
Well, it's hard for me to see. I'm from
Here,
California.
no worries. I'll give you a light to help you out.
So is this
That's the registration. We're looking for the vehicle insurance.
I have it in my phone.
In your phone?
Yes, I do. I have it in my phone.
Which
It's AAA.
AAA? Perfect. Let me see it.
Wait, hold on, right. Oh, here it is. Insurance documents.
Can you zoom in on it so it shows like your policy number and which vehicle it's assigned to and everything?
Yes.
Do you have like a mobile app or anything like that?
Well, that's what I know I put everything in my notes. So I just don't know what it's under. So I put in AAA.
I got you.
Oh, here's AAA card. I just don't know what it looks like here. Everything's different going, so.
No worries.
Total sold auto insurance. There's a number, Patricia Ledesma Carnett. There's my premium.
Yeah, no, but it doesn't show the policy or anything like that.
Let me look again. Let me just go back. I don't remember.
Okay. What, PJ National?
Yes.
Okay. All right. How much alcohol are you drinking tonight?
I don't have anything.
Nothing at all?
I'm a cancer patient right now.
You're what?
I'm a cancer patient.
Are you taking medication right now?
No, I'm doing.
Or in treatment?
No, I'm doing treatment. I'm doing radiation therapy.
You're in radiation right now?
Yes.
Okay.
AAA Florida, 81623.
So, Patricia, where are we coming from tonight?
My sister-in-law's.
Okay.
Is this it? Oh, sorry.
Does she live in the area?
Yes.
She does? Okay. And where are you heading to?
I was going home.
Okay. What were you drinking in your cup right there?
In my cup?
Mm-hmm.
My cup, this is my wormwood and blackwood walnut.
Do you mind if I see it?
Well, no, I understand that's an unreasonable search and seizure.
That's an unreasonable
There's
search and seizure?
nothing in my cup. It's empty. There's nothing in there.
I can literally hear something rolling around in there. I just want to see what liquid you have in there.
There's no liquid in it. There's nothing in there but ice. I have wormwood and black walnut oil.
Okay. So why am I smelling the odor of alcohol coming off of you?
You can say that, but you're not.
I'm not? Oh, okay. So you weren't drinking at all?
No, I haven't had anything to drink at all. I'm in radiation therapy. So.
All right. Do you take any chemical controlled substances, narcotics, anything like that?
No.
That might impair you? No? Do you take any
No,
medication?
I'm not impaired. I was following my navigation. I'm new to Florida.
Okay,
I just came from California.
Okay. Do you take
It
any?
said make a U-turn.
Do you take any medications you shouldn't be taking while operating heavy machinery?
No.
Okay.
No, I haven't done anything wrong. I was following my navigation. It said make a U-turn. I made a U-turn and y'all pulled me over. That was it.
Okay.
The interaction turned cold when Patricia flatly refused to perform field sobriety tests, claiming her rights were being violated while digging in her heels against every command. This act of defiance forced officers to physically remove her from the vehicle, sparking a chaotic struggle and a secondary charge of obstruction.
Patricia, can I see your eyes, please? Can you take your glasses off for me?
I haven't had anything to drink. If you would like me to get this for you, I could do it, but
Okay.
I would definitely not appreciate you flashing the lights.
You have a license?
Here's a renewal letter. Okay, here's a renewal letter.
Do you have a Florida license?
I do.
I'm not flashing. I'm trying to look at your eyes.
U-turn doing what my navigation said.
Okay.
That's all I did, so.
Do you have your license in there?
I haven't ran. She doesn't have one on her.
I do have a picture of my Florida license.
You don't have your actual license on you, ma'am, that's what I'm saying.
Well,
Can I see? Hey, let me see your license, man. The picture that you have.
I I have my Florida one. It will come up. I just don't know what it's saved exactly under. So I'm typing in driver's license. And my phone.
Is that what you say?
So just be safe. Go to and see.
See if you can give me your license first.
Hmm?
See if you can give me the license first.
I already ran it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I got off the tag.
All right, Patricia, listen.
This is my California license. I will find you my Florida one.
I'm standing like 3 feet away. It's still smelling.
California.
Just to be safe, you know?
Because right now, you refusing to do the exercises, all right?
You don't have a reasonable articulation that I've committed any kind of crime.
Time out.
I made
Absolutely,
a U-turn.
I do.
Wait
So,
a second.
time
Hold
out.
on. Do you have your camera on?
It's absolutely recording everything that's happening.
I made a U-turn based on my camera in my car that said make a U-turn.
Okay.
I missed a turn.
All right,
Said
Patricia,
make
time
a
out.
U-turn.
So listen,
Wait,
I'm going to advise you right now what's
let
called
me
your Taylor warnings. You need to listen because it's 3 parts. Number 1, by you refusing to comply with the exercise that I'm requesting that you do, you're not going to be able to dispel my concern that you're operating a motor vehicle tonight while impaired by an alcoholic beverage and or chemical under controlled substance. Number 2, you are going to force me to make an arrest based on the totality of the circumstances. Do you understand what that means? That means everything
I understand. I was married to a police sergeant,
Okay.
so I understand exactly
Perfect.
all
And number
of
3,
my
your
rights.
refusal may be used against you in court, all right?
It may be used against me in court, but you guys
All
don't
right,
have
so
a right because I made a
keeping that warning in
U-turn
mind, will you do these
based on
exercises to dispel my
person.
concern?
No, because I know exactly what you can
All right.
see when you put my car by a judge. You can't do it.
I don't need to keep
You may not. That's
That's fine.
violation of. You cannot reach your hand in my car.
Fucking
You
touch
guys
his
can't.
hand.
Why are you
Do
reaching?
not touch his
Time
hand.
out.
Why are you
Time out.
reaching
Time
my
out.
car?
Do not
Okay.
touch his hand.
Because you're under arrest right now. Step out of the
For
car.
what? Wait, I'm watching you. You're violating my 4th Amendment and my First Amendment, right? You violated my freaking seat, right? Oh, wait.
Step out of the car.
Hold on. I'm not resisting. I'm
Step out of the car.
Excuse me.
Step out of the
My
car.
purse.
Out of the car.
You
Out of the car.
hold on. My foot's stuck in the seat. You guys, my foot's stuck in. Oh my God, you're breaking my ankle. Oh my gosh. You guys, my foot. You can see my heel stuck under the seat.
Take your foot out of there. Take your foot out of there, man.
You guys,
Turn your body.
My heel is stuck in there.
There you go.
Okay,
Step
no.
out. Put your hands on your back.
For what?
You're under arrest.
For what? For what? What are you arresting
Stop
me
turning.
for? Is your camera on?
Yes,
Yeah,
it's on,
put it
man.
on.
Me and Dad's on it.
You absolutely did.
No,
It was easy. You didn't have to do all that.
Can you, hold on. Can you guys, please, could you grab my purse from the ground, please?
Hold on.
You know.
Hand me my phone back, because I have the right to record what is happening. I have the First Amendment right.
We're recording here, right? To be safe and secure
guys
from
mind-
impaired drivers.
My Alexa said make a U-turn. I made a U-turn and now you guys are arresting me. This is insanity.
Can I see the
And the
car?
fact that you guys, is your camera on?
Yes, ma'am. it is.
Absolutely.
All right, I want to talk to your camera and your camera on.
You
You guys refused to allow me to record this transaction.
No, we didn't.
Yes, you did. You refused. You pulled my phone out of my hand. You did not allow me.
You can't just pull out your phone and say I'm recording once you're under arrest. It's not how
No,
it
I
works.
wasn't. I was in my own vehicle. I was not under arrest.
The date was November 11th, 2024, and at 1:21 a.m., a late-night patrol in Palm Beach Gardens took a sharp turn when an officer spotted a vehicle making an illegal U-turn and drifting across the center line. When the officer approached the driver, Patricia, he immediately noted the telltale signs of intoxication, slurred speech, bloodshot eyes, and the distinct odor of alcohol. The interaction quickly turned cold as Patricia denied drinking and flatly refused to perform any field sobriety exercises, claiming her rights were being violated. Despite being warned that her refusal would lead to an immediate arrest, she dug in her heels. This forced officers to physically remove her from the vehicle, sparking a struggle where she accused the police of misconduct. While the DUI charge was eventually dismissed, Patricia was found guilty of obstructing an officer without violence. It's a stark reminder that even if you beat the initial charge, resisting the process carries its own heavy price.